Hey everybody, welcome to 5 poses you must do every day. Now, these yoga poses can be done in a seated fashion, like I will demonstrate first, and also in a standing fashion, which I will demonstrate second. 5 poses. Excellent every day. Let's do it. First one is mountain pose. Sitting nice and tall, creating a nice straight spine, shoulders down the back, hands rest on the thighs. Pull the belly in slightly, and on our inhale, we're going to reach up, mountain pose. This is extending the arms to the sky without letting the shoulders creep into the ears. Mountain pose represents strength. We all have strength. Arms are straight, fingers are spread nice and wide, palms towards each other. Take a breath and lower your arms. That is pose number one. Pose number two is a side bend. Right arm goes up and over we go. Okay, opening up the side body. Let's switch sides. Left goes up and over we go. That's pose number two. Pose number three is a forward fold. Spill your body over your legs. Let your hands find your toes, your ankles, the floor. It doesn't matter. And then take your chin, drop it towards your chest. Take a breath. Forward folds are amazing for calming the body. Next inhale, slowly rise up. That's pose number three that you must do every day. Pose number four, hook your hands into a circle. We're going to spin to the right. Let your eyes go all the way behind you. Come back to center. Spin to the left. Look back there. Come back to center. Lower your arms. That's pose number four, twisting the spine, invigorating the internal organs, feeling some vitality come back into the body. The last pose that we should do every day is actually a combo of 2 poses. We have extension and flexion of the spine, or cat and cow. Let's try it seated. We're going to inhale, lift the heart, lift the nose. There is that extension. On our exhale, round your spine, pull your belly in, tuck your chin, and there's your rounded. Now, of course, cat and cow is traditionally done on the floor on all fours, but I'm just going to turn so that you can see what happens. It's the same shape. Imagine me on all fours, right? So I'm going to lift my nose, push my belly forward. There is cow pose. And now exhale, round your spine. There's cat pose. Inhale and exhale. Now you can do this with the hands down. Inhale, push your belly forward, lift your nose. Exhale, round your spine. That's actually 6 poses you should do every day, but we'll just stick with 5. All right, here we go. We're going to do the whole thing standing. So you always have the option to do both, seated or standing, if you're able to stand. We're going to inhale, mountain pose. Strong body. It's so amazing, right? Strong, powerful. Take a breath. Lower your arms. Let's take the side bend. Right arm goes up and over. Switch to the left, up and over. There's pose number 2. Pose number 3 is a forward fold. Just spill on over. Hands can find the floor, your ankles, your knees, soft bend in your knees. Tuck your chin, breathe. Inhale, slowly rise up. When you get to the top, drop your shoulders. Grab your arms into a circle. Spin to the right. Spin to the left. Beautiful. Last one. We're going to have that extension and the flexion. It's a little bit tricky to do cat and cow standing, obviously. So I'm going to show you what that looks like from the side. Extension is a lean back, look up, belly still going forward, spine is extending. And now exhale, round the spine. See that? Let's do it again. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up. There's your 5 poses. It's actually 6, but 5. Mountain pose keeps you grounded, reminds you of your strength. You know how a mountain, sometimes there's clouds that go in front of it, but the strength and the presence of the mountain is always there. That's how I feel. Like sometimes I know my strength is in there, but sometimes there's stuff in the way. Okay, so mountain pose reminds us of our strength. Getting those side bends in, opens up the fascia in the ribs, helps us to feel a little bit loose through the hips. The twist, get the digestive system going, nourishes the spinal fluid. Super great for all body types to be spinning. Okay, that twist is so powerful. The forward folds calm our nervous system, release us into a place back inside of ourselves that's quiet and calm. And then the extension and the flexion of the spine keeps our posture in check so we're not hunched over. Our center of gravity is in the middle. We're strong, we're powerful, we're beautiful, we're amazing, and we're ready for our day. There's your 5 poses. Have a great day. See ya.